How to manage save and fail payments methods on Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage save and fail payments methods on Chrome mobile. First we're going to do is go to Chrome and then click these 3 points here, and now click settings, and now you will see this one here, payment methods. Click on it, and then if you want to turn off save and fail payments methods, just click on it, and as you see it has been turned off. And if you want to turn it on again, click here, and as you see save and fail methods payments has been turned off. And that's how to manage save and pay and fail payment methods on Google Chrome mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.